guys, it's Jason here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. It is the last week of break for me, which means only a few days for me to get the things I want done. Attack on Titan Season 4 Part 2 is already out. Me being the big procrastinator that I am still on Season 1, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. I have a lot more things to open this time, make it a little bit more entertaining than the usual one per video type of thing. Those aren't up yet. I'm still kind of going through like editing the older videos and stuff like that. Just hang on. What do I want to open first? Let's start with the military surplus first, and then we'll gradually work our way down. This one I got from eBay, so there's a lot of cool stuff on eBay. You just gotta be careful sometimes because, like I said in some other video that I literally can't remember, you just have to be very careful when it comes to the seller. They might sell you something that is not on the picture. This is from, where is this from? This is from Lithuania. It's all the way in Eastern Europe, you know, the Baltic states. Didn't think I'd be ordering stuff from there, but you know, gotta spice things up a little bit. Let's see. What could possibly be military related from Lithuania? And just like with every video, I'm going to carefully cut the top, which you can't see right now. Okay, there we go. That's going in the garbage. What do we have here? We have a French CCE field jacket, and it's in large. So the French CCE came out. This is actually the second one that came out. The first version that came out was the desert version called Doggett, which was designed for usage during the first Gulf War, because back then it was either special forces had the legendary French lizard, which many countries have proceeded to copy, or they just had the standard European olive green sort of setup. But yeah, this came out right after, and I think it came out during like the early 2000s. It's literally just a variation of M81 woodland camo. A lot of these European camos are going to be very similar to each other, and also very similar to American camos, so you can kind of see the American sort of influence there. This is probably like high up on the things that I've wanted. Like, I've always wanted French camo. I always thought like it was a very cool type of camo. The fact that I got it, I'm very proud of myself. And it came from Lithuania too, so I don't know how it got into Lithuania, but my guess is that right now there is a sort of NATO battalion in the Baltic states to discourage any Russian aggression into the Baltic states, even though it's very negligible, and Russia is literally just gonna bulldoze their way through the Baltic states. But I digress. So we're just gonna try this on. As I suspected, it was probably gonna be thin anyways, because it's a field jacket, come on. And I ordered it in large, so it should fit, which it does. Unlike other field jackets, it has this thing at the bottom where it kind of like stretches out for big folk like me. I have no idea what this is for, because there's already buttons here. Curious. Why are there Velcro straps here when there's nothing to strap on? Curious indeed. That is Snapchat. Don't worry about that. I had to send out my streaks. Yes, I'm a 23-year-old man-child still sending out streaks on Snapchat. What am I doing with my life? And button, and then there's the sort of strap at the bottom. And there we go. Is there a button? Yeah, there's a button up here too. Let's see if I can put that on. Oh, it's gonna constrain my neck. This is pretty cool. This is not what I expected from a field jacket. I expected it to be sort of, actually I didn't even know what I was gonna expect, so let's be honest. I give it a infamous 11 out of 10 because this is the one original camo that I've wanted my entire life, and now I finally got it. I'm so happy. After all these years, I finally got me some French CCE camo. Now, without further ado, we're just going to get into the rest of this stuff, and it should be relatively straightforward. There's another one. Big package here. Don't know where it came from. Well, I do know where it came from. It came from California, but we're going to find out what this package is about. Hopefully this microphone works, because my brother spent like 30 bucks on it. The receipt's already gone, and I don't want to have to go and return it and go bother a whole bunch of Geek Squad people at Best Buy, because I'm pretty sure they got better things to do. I'm hoping that this microphone actually works, and you know, the sound quality is a heck of a lot better. Look at that! It's a Hasanabi hoodie! This trash can is filled. Yeah, so it is a Hasanabi hoodie. You kind of get the idea. Hasanabi, very infamous streamer. Got banned for 7 days for saying the C word. Got a copyright strike recently for streaming MasterChef, which got overturned, by the way, so he can go and continue to watch and stream MasterChef episodes. His friend Disguised Toast, however, wasn't lucky. He ended up streaming Death Note, and apparently he got a bunch of emails telling him to stop. He didn't stop, and then he got banned for a month. And I think it was his first time getting banned too. At least that's what the articles and other people have been saying, oh, what's this? Oh, these are socks. I don't have my basket on me because I'm washing clothes right now, so everything's just kind of on my... This is the front. I know it looks very plain, but then if you look at the back, get this. It's that one infamous picture when, you know, end of his videos, and he shows this, and he shows like the next video. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty nice little hoodie, you know, show off my HASL appreciation. Also with my French camo. That's nice. 10 out of 10, good condition, union made. I think the proceeds went to union movements all around the country, fighting for more improved standards of work, especially during these trying times when CEOs are out here trying to work us to death, despite the fact that there was a pandemic. Before I cut this, I was gonna cut it and then not show you guys. This I got from one of my favorite musicians. I just discovered her, I think 2 years ago. Her name is Mxmtoon. She's originally from Oakland, California. She is famous for her song Prom Dress, I think. I'm sitting here crying. Yeah, okay, yep. Yeah, so she's famous for her song Prom Dress. She's since released several different small projects and EPs. Her only album so far is called The Masquerade, in which Prom Dress is in, so check her out. She's a pretty cool person. I think she's living in New York right now, which is where my brother is right now too. He's visiting his girlfriend for a week, so that's pretty nice. Meanwhile, I'm here working my butt off in a factory. Oh shoot, it is almost time for me to get on to my tutoring shift. So after I cut this, and we're just gonna pause this right away. So we'll be right back as soon as this mouse can move. Alrighty, we're back. I'm back. It took me a while for me to get into the sort of Zoom call for my second part of my job, but here we are. So this is the last thing we have, and I'm just gonna wrap this up. Considering that I'm running low on long sleeves, we have... Oh look, we got a little slip too. Oh, it's just the order. Okay, never mind. I thought it was gonna be like a discount or something, but nope, never mind. We have the Mxmtoon Rainbow long sleeve. Why did I just pause there for like a good 5 seconds? We're gonna take the sticker off. We don't need that, but it looks pretty nice. I don't feel like putting it on simply just because I already have my own long sleeve on. It's a UCP type of upstate cerebral policy t-shirt, long sleeve. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, but 10 out of 10, I like it. Pretty simple design, and it's pink too, because real men wear pink already. So I'm just gonna wrap this up. So we have 3 things today. We have our French CCE field jacket, the hoodie, which is in my closet because I didn't want to leave it laying around, and we have the pink Mxmtoon radio, why do I keep saying radio, rainbow long sleeve. So that's pretty much everything. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will be getting around to those videos whenever that's supposed to happen, especially because I'm going to be extremely busy in the coming days. I gotta binge watch Attack on Titan. I gotta edit these videos. I gotta apply for this stupid internship that my dad wants me to do, which I don't really want to do, and I'm not even sure if I'm qualified for it anyways, but it is what it is. I hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening. It's really cold out here. It's real winter hours, buddy. Real winter hours. It's real snowy hours, real icy gang hours. Okay, let me shut up. I'll see you guys later.